Here we need to find the value of 8 minus 6 into 8 minus 6. So first 8 minus 6 is 2 into 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. But this answer is not correct. Here, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So first we need to do the parenthesis, next exponents, next multiplication or division, next addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have the equal priorities, so it goes from left to right. As per the addition or subtraction, same from left to right. So first let's see the question. Here we have positive 8 and negative 6 into positive 8 and negative 6. So first here we have the parenthesis, but in the given question there is no parenthesis and no exponents. So we need to do the multiplication or division. Here we have the multiplication. So first multiplication, 6 times of 8 is 48. Here we get the negative sign and again 8 minus 6. Now positive 8, negative 48 and negative 6. After the multiplication we have the addition or subtraction. It goes from left to right. So first here we have positive 8 and negative 48. For positive 8 and negative 48 we need to do the subtraction. So by subtracting 8 minus 48 we get minus 40. Minus 40, again we have the minus 6. Now minus 40 and minus 6 we get minus 46. Minus 46 is the final answer for the given question.